You're looking for the only mid-size pickup in America, with the heart of a full-size and the spirit of a compact. With available new V6 fuel injection up front, room and back for a full sheet of plywood, and covered by the best truck warranty in the business. It's gotta be the mid-size Dodge Dakota.
It's gotta be a Dodge. Oh, yeah. Rock flag and eagle. America. 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 Fuck yeah. Coming again to save the motherfucking day. Yeah, America. Fuck yeah.
Look, it's sticked. You could tell.
Hey, dude. What you driving?
Dodge, Dakota S.
Yeah. You could ask for anything more?
Well, how about halogen headlamps, rack and pinion steering, 15-gallon fuel tank, cigar lighter, wheel covers, radial tires, the new 770 protection plan, and a price that's hundreds less. See you later, dude.
Oh, what a feeling.
It's not going anywhere. I mean, I don't have the right tools. I can't get anything done. Get that thing this way, get that thing out of the way. Mike, bring that thing over top. Let's go. This is not a union job, so just get going. Snap, do it. Take, see what them skin.
All right, we got this apart.
So I couldn't have cut it any closer than I'm doing.
Yeah. These are pretty dick.